This video will guide you with the installation of the flat panel wall TV wall mount. Components include the wall plate, left and right brackets, and a hex key. All mounting and assembly hardware is also included. For proper installation, ensure you have the following tools. For detailed instructions and warnings, refer to the flat panel wall user manual and the wall mounting installation guide. For wooden stud installation, locate the center of the stud using a stud finder. Use a pencil to mark the location on the wall where you want to attach the wall mount. Hold the mount in the desired location and use a spirit level to ensure it's straight. Use a pencil to mark the intended location of the pilot holes. Drill the pilot holes using an electric drill. Hold the mount in position on the wall, aligning the mounting holes with the pilot holes. Insert and tighten the included wall mounting screws with a Phillips head bit or a 1/4-inch ratcheting socket wrench. For concrete installation, hold the mount in the desired location and use a spirit level to ensure it's straight. Use a pencil to mark the intended location of the pilot holes. Drill the pilot holes using an electric impact driver. Insert the concrete anchors into the pilot holes. Align the mount with the pilot holes and insert the mounting screws through the mount into the concrete anchors. Tighten using a 1/4-inch ratcheting socket wrench. Attach the TV brackets to the TV using the provided screws and washers. You can use the optional spacers for TVs with recessed VESA holes or to create a slight gap between the brackets and the TV. Use the included hex key to loosen the bolts at the bottom of the brackets. Carefully lift the TV and hook the left and right brackets onto the wall plate. Use the hex key to tighten the screws in the bottom of the mounting hardware in both brackets. To adjust the tilt of the TV, loosen the tilt adjusting knobs located on the side of each bracket and tighten at the preferred angle. The installation is now complete.